Hi there everyone, and first I would like to introduce myself. My name is J Mark, and I'm doing this video for our subject communication in the workplace, and I'm here to talk about the main components of a computer. So we move on to the most important component of a computer. So this is an example of a system unit. Is the most important component of desktop computers because it is where the processing is done, processing of the informations or the tasks that are given to the computer are being processed. The system unit is also sometimes called the chassis, the tower, or sometimes called the heart or brain of desktop computers. Here it includes the casing wherein it houses the other internal components of the computer, which includes the hard drives, the motherboard, the video card, and the processors, and some other internal components of the computer. System unit. So now we move on to the next component of the computer, which is the monitor. There are different kinds of monitor. We have the CRT monitor, which stands for cathode ray tube monitors, the one with the huge back, and we also have the plasma monitors, which is I think the most expensive monitors nowadays, or one of the expensive monitors nowadays. We also have the LED, which stands for liquid emitting devices, and we also have the LCDs, or which stands for the liquid crystal display, and this monitor is one of the example of the LCD monitors. And the main function of a monitor is that it displays or it allows us to see the things that are being processed in the computer, or the things that we are doing in the computer. So that's the monitor. The next component is the keyboard. The main function of the keyboard is that it allows the users to input data, informations, or other things in the computer that the computer will process. The keyboard has the letters, the numbers, and the symbols needed by the user, or the inputs that will be inputted by the user. Last but not the least is the mouse. It is one of the main component of a computer. It is small, but it helps the users to, or it allows the users to click the buttons, the menus, or the other buttons to the computer. And that's the main components of a computer. And now we move on to the other components of a computer. But these components are not really necessary. You can use the computer without this, but you can include the headphones, the microphones, speakers, printers, and printers. But there are also some other components that you may include, but I have no example of them. But you may include the video cameras, the scanners, and some other devices that you would want to use when using your desktop computers. And that's all the components of the computer that I want to talk about to you, and thanks for watching and listening to my video presentation.